Hey everyone, Aaron here from RS200 Hobbies. So we got a new backdrop. This is our first unboxing video at the brand spanking new location of RS200 Hobbies at 2301 Avenue C North. So it's been a minute. We wrote 3 weeks or a month from our last video. We've been moving, getting this space ready, and we're currently working on kind of a video or a couple videos, I guess, on the whole process of moving, how the space started to how it's finished, and how the grand opening went last weekend. So super excited to work on that, but we're not here for that today. We're here for the brand new Mini Rally VXL from Traxxas with the RS200 Ford Escort body. So the Mini thing on this is a little bit odd, and you'll see when we unbox it, but I just want to preface this with saying this is pretty much a short wheelbase TT02. So it's about the same wheelbase that we get on those. So let's just see what we got going on. These are going to be an RTR, so they will include battery charger, radio, and obviously the car fully assembled. But let's just get right into it. These are going to be a little bit different than some of the other unboxings, just because of how everything unpacks on it. It's going to be very similar to like your Mini Slashes and things like that. So first things first, we're getting into the radio. This, being a VXL model, will come with the Traxxas TQI transmitter, 2.4 gig, basic 2-channel, nothing too serious. Bottom will require 4 AA's, the Traxxas does not include. You are also not getting the TQI module, so you have to buy the 6511 separate if you want to use the Bluetooth for doing your settings or add any telemetry that way. So multifunction knob for TSM or Traxxas stability management, as there is a gyro built into the receiver that knows where flat and forward facing is. So if the car gets crazy out of control, you can increase the percentage of TSM and essentially just make it easier to drive. As we've heard, these cars are a little bit crazy on 3S. Let's see what we got going on. See if this comes out easy. But there it is. Ugh. It's definitely in there. Packaged well. Tape or something on there? It definitely is. They don't want this coming out. Let's say that again. What do we got going on here? There we go. Does that help us all? It does. There we go. So now, let's get all this stuff off the bottom here. And we can kind of open it up a little bit more. Ugh. Okay. There we go. Holy dynamite. That thing was in there. So just like the Mini Slash, the body clips are going to be down the side of the chassis here. Just like so. We're going to get some, once we get a good picture of this, we'll cut the chassis out of the box and give you a better look. But it's really, really neat. You actually have your working LED lights in the front end of the bumper there. So legit rally lights. And they're almost like a separate pod, just like they would be on the real car. So very, very cool. They're not a typical bulb diode. They're just like a flat panel diode. So more like we would see on like the TRX4Ms in the high trails, the F-150s, the K10s. But this body has a lot of extra detail in it. This whole air inlet for the rear motor is all really, really nice looking, has a lot of pronounced edges, and it looks really, really good. Clipless body mount design, so like I said, down the side. So very, very cool. It's a very, very nice body. But let's cut this out, and then we will talk about the chassis and some of the things they've changed on this new Mini Rally. Give us 2 secs. Okay, so now we got that cut out. That was a little bit of a process. They did not want this one to come out by any means. You can definitely tell how much longer now this chassis is right in the front end section of the battery hold down. So just like the Mini Slash, Mini Maxx, Mini XRT, they are including a 3500 mAh 2S LiPo. So these guys are going to come with at least that. They're going to come with a USB-C charger. They come with different pinion. It's the normal stuff, right? You're going to get all your shock preload clips, extra high-speed pinion, 1.5, 2, and 2.5 nut driver, quick start guide, some stickers, exploded view, nothing too serious by any means. 2075X steering servo though up front, so just like the Mini XRT, you're getting that Metal Gear steering servo. You are getting the VXL 3S, 2 or 3S capable waterproof brushless ESC. This one is coming pre-installed with a fan. So this is definitely something that's a little bit different on this one in comparison to everything else. Mini XRT, all those platforms did not come with that out of the box. But the other thing you'll notice is there's no cutout in the windows, or there's no air intake spots. So a little bit different on that. So this is going to be the first one that doesn't have any extra airflow. Be interesting to see how that goes. And then you're getting the 3500 kV 4-pole Traxxas Valenian motor. So pretty standard stuff on everything like that. So nothing too serious. Other difference on how they run this is now instead of these running this way flat, they run up so this cap doesn't sit flat. So that's the first thing I noticed, that that cap was kind of crooked and cockeyed. But hey, a little bit different, but we'll see how that goes. So different wheels and tires on this. These are going to be similar to the Slash, where the outer bead and the inner bead are two different sizes. These tires, again, are rock hard. You can feel where they have the webbing across, or the bracing on them. It's like a little bit softer here, but rock hard there. A little bit different, but they do have that 4-bolt look. White wheel, which is fantastic. New rally block tires. They look really, really nice, actually. So this is going to be 4-wheel drive, oil-filled diffs, and they are going to have oil-filled shocks as well. And we have some new components on this as well. So you have this new front bumper that's blue, so it matches the white blue body. And you have the rear bumper bracket and brace, essentially, that has this nice high density foam to get a little bit more cushion on the back end. So there's a lot of things that are a little bit different now, just with the chassis being longer, things like that, but a lot of the componentry is going to be the same, which is fantastic for diffs, bulkheads, things like that. They look almost identical to the Slash. I'm just going to go grab the Mini Slash and give you a better comparison of wheelbase from Mini Slash to this, just so you can see the difference in length. So these are the two side by side, and looking at them, it's not much of a difference from the front face. They're very similar in width, so that's kind of neat. But when you get into these side profiles, that's where you can really see that difference in wheelbase. So if we put these up side by side, just like this, then you can tell that the Mini Rally is definitely quite a significant amount longer than the Mini Slash. So going to be interesting to see how this one performs. I know there's been a lot of videos already that 3S is just absolutely ballistic, and I can see it. These tires do not give you much grip. So be interesting to see that. Suspension travel feels almost identical. Slash maybe has a smidgen more than the Rally, but they definitely don't have many shock preload clips or anything like that in the Rally to lift up the height. Plus, I mean, we just pulled out a box and it's -10 outside. So it's pretty cool and cold here in store yet. But yeah, the Mini Slash definitely has a little bit more suspension travel for sure. But that's the new RS200. I wish we could take it out, but it's snowing. I think this thing would be a whole heck of a lot of fun. This one is going to be pre-sold to another customer, and we only were able to get one. So we have some more coming, hopefully in the next couple, 3 weeks, and we'll have a couple more out on display. So that is the brand new RS200. So thank you everyone so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. Hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, throw them down in the comment section below. Like I said, we're working on a whole video series of the shop move and all the work and all the changes that we made here in store. So we're super excited. If you didn't check it out, grand opening, you should totally come down, check it out. So don't forget that we have some racing coming up next weekend with Sork. That's the Bridge City Brawl. And then we also have some on-road stuff happening as well. So pay attention to the Facebook pages and all that good stuff for more info. Hopefully it has a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.